Machine installation. Install the tapping machine base on the workbench first. Tighten the 4 screws in sequence. The positioning ring can be adjusted to the appropriate height according to different situations. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the optical shaft cover. Insert the copper sleeve part of the lower bracket of the tapping machine into the optical axis of the foot base to make the bottom tightly adhere to the positioning ring. Tighten the optical shaft cover clockwise again. Then check the flexibility of the machine in sequence: front, rear, left, and right. Machine installation completed. Connecting the power supply. Refueling demonstration. Rotating oil pot positioning ring. Remove the oil pot and open the oil pot cover. Add special tapping oil. Reinstall the oil pot. Insert the air pipe into the dedicated connection port for the bottom air source. Operation demonstration. Turn on the power switch. Click to enter the ordinary operation. Click on User Parameters. Reverse the thread to switch the direction of the motor. Click on the lubrication settings. Adjust the fuel injection and blowing modes you need. Adjustment completed. Return to ordinary operation. Click on thread selection. Each thread can be switched by clicking directly. Fine teeth can be modified by clicking on the thread pitch. Adjust the corresponding tapping and unwinding speeds. Insert the tap chuck into the quick chuck and adjust the position of the oil and gas pipes. Rotate the adjustment knob to adjust the air pressure and oil volume. Manual tapping mode. Align the machine head downward with the workpiece pole position. Start the tapping button switch above the handle until the tap enters the required depth. Press the rewind button again until the tap completely exits the workpiece. Automatic tapping mode. Set the required depth and switch from manual mode to automatic mode. Align the machine head downward with the workpiece pole position. Just press the tapping button switch, and the motor will automatically rotate according to the pitch size until the set depth. Automatic rotation can be achieved. Deep hole operation mode. Click on the deep hole processing page. Setting the feed and fallback depth. Taps of different sizes. Need to select the pitch size again. Set the required depth. Universal horizontal mode. First loosen the fastening screws on the left and right sides of the universal joint. Rotate the universal joint to a 90-degree plane. Make the quick chuck and the workpiece horizontal, and tighten the fastening screws on both sides. Horizontal tapping can be achieved. Horizontal conversion back to vertical. First, loosen the fastening screws on the left and right sides of the universal joint. Align the universal head with the vertical positioning slot and push it to the end. Tighten the fastening screws on both sides again. Complete conversion.